Hi everyone! So today, medyo madilaw tayo kasi wala tayong white light, but that's okay. Mag-fix naman yan in a couple of days para maging medyo maayos yung kulay ng skin natin. So, yellowish muna tayo ngayon. Regarding this glycolic acid 7% exfoliating toner from The Ordinary after 3 uses. So basically, I've been using it for 1 week already and I am so happy to say na hindi nag-react negatively yung skin ko. I did not get any purging or yung mga new pimples, ganyan. May times kasi na may mga products na mabilis mag-react yung skin ko after a day or 2 days after magkakaroon ako ng pimple niyan. So, those are things that I don't want to happen. And sa mga ganung scenario, madalas nag-stop na akong gumamit ng product kapag ganun yung nangyari. But for this one, I'm so glad na hindi nag-react yung skin ko because honestly, I really want to continue using it. Kasi hindi ko alam kung hibang-hibang ba ako, pero parang nag-glow kasi yung mukha ko. Every time I look in the mirror, I know na feeling ko nangihibang lang ako because I should be able to notice improvements dapat siguro mga, para sa akin an observation after a month, hindi yung after 1 week, or maybe siguro 2 or 3 weeks baka pwede na, di ba? But yeah, 1 week I believe is not enough observation. I'm really glad na so far, I see this as one of the ordinary products na talagang mai-add ko sa skincare routine ko if it continues to be good to my skin. Kasi meron din naman ako mga products from their brand na parang nag-react yung skin ko, like yung salicylic acid, yung AHA, BHA. Those are medyo mas mga matatapang na skincare products. And of course, I am not discouraging you to try it out yourself. Just because it didn't work for me doesn't mean that it will not work for you as well. So, syempre, iba-iba tayo ng experience. What I want to encourage is yung patch testing. Just to make sure that you are not going to have any skin irritation or allergies to whatever product that you're going to use. Siguro patch test first. So, don't be discouraged. I'm just telling you my personal experience. So this is just a reminder to be mindful of whatever product you're going to put on your face. And also, shameless plug. So I have been trying to create my own body soap. So nagkaroon na ako ng mga few batches that I tried to myself, some of my family members, and to my partner. And so far, it's going well. Pina-finalize ko lang siya. And hopefully, I will be able to release it officially para, makapag-share ako ng mga bagay na sa tingin ko will work and is really good to the skin. I will be creating a separate vlog talking about the soap that I created, kung para saan ba siya, ano ba yung tina-target ko, kung bakit ko siya ginawa, para I can give you more information about it. So that's my update about the glycolic acid 7% exfoliating toner from The Ordinary. Excited na ako na i-share sa inyo yung magiging experience ko after 2 or 3 weeks or maybe 1 month of using this product. So thank you for tuning in and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!